When I remember what the Lord has done, I will never forget. You don't know what's going to happen after graduation. You don't know what's going to happen to your life after graduation. So what you must do, take this advantage. You're getting NSFAS, you're being funded by your family. Hallelujah. They're only getting NSFAS. Hallelujah. God, in that process, what's in the business? Ngakadunyaka wonke thinking ukuthi then ngaphazamiseka endleleni njengomuntu omusha ngathola indodakazi unaledi. In that process ngakhona ukuthi ngithenge imoto. I did not know ukuthi I would get a car accident. Imoto became beyond repairs. uNkulunkulu ungifundisile ukubekezela more than anything.